Hi, it's Karen McGrandle with Innovet Labs, and I wanted to show you really quickly about how easy it is to do a multi-page computer app on Kintone. Yesterday, I did this in about 15 minutes on my Google Chromebook while waiting for my girls at their swim lessons. So multi-page example. Oh, let's go back for a second. This is the portal that you can come to. You will have a dedicated address with Kintone, Innovet Labs Incorporated.kintone.com. And you can, of course, you could put that on your own website if you wanted to, but you come to here and there's spaces, you can put an announcement here, and then here are your apps. So we go to this multi-page example one. And you can, let me do it this way. And you can also, go straight to where you put in the information. So see, this is the URL for that. So if you want to put that somewhere, and then you go right to there, and then you're entering the information. So what I've done up here is I had general information, and that's this client information. Background questionnaire, it's back down here, background. Current usage questionnaire, and then future usage. And I just came up with some things. So company name, let's just say ABC Corp. Contact is Bob Brown. Background, you can do different things. So this one has this is multiple, so you can click on lots of the different ones. What has your company been using? And then current usage. You please attach a current form that you're using. You can have attachments from your computer. Then you can do tables. So let's say that the month is 1/2020, and the budget is 5,000, and you spent 2,500, and then we have a calculated amount of 2,500. Oh, and I need to put a $sign on these. I did not before. And then future usage. What do you see as the main usage for a computer app in your company? And I did another one, a drop down instead of the multi-choice. So you could say operations. You need to pick one instead of the other one where you could pick several. So on this one, you just pick one. And then which ways are okay to contact you. So this is another type of a checkbox that you could use. So this is all very cool. And if you go to, we're going to leave this page and not save it. And then this is how you design it through here. So we're going to go into app settings, and we're going to use a plugin to hide and give different pages to this. So this is a conditional display plugin. You can import other and different ones. I've already set this one up. So conditional display, and what we're doing is the radio button, and a value is selected. And I believe the first one was general info. So the fields to show are company name and contact. And then we're going to add another one. And down here, we do radio button. And on this one, we're going to say a value is selected. And then this would be the second thing was background questionnaire. And it said, updated by, what do you see? Background. So this was a group one that we put in the background. And I think there was something else too. Did we put a chart there? I cannot remember, but we'll add that later. So then we go to the next one, and you say radio button, a value is selected, and we are doing general info and current usage. That was the group that we used. And I'm going to have to go back and see which one of these we're going to. And then this last one, radio button, and a value is selected, and future usage. And then which ways, what do you see as the main use? This was the drop down, but we want to do a field. Future usage right there. Okay, so then we just do save. And we are going to go back to this. And I'm going to look real quick because I think I did not include the tables on this. But so you can see, this is the field group right here, and this is client. So I am going to write down that I want client on the first one. And then for background, I am going to have background field group. And then for current usage, that was the one that I didn't. I did current usage, and then I also did a table. So this table right here is budget. And you can see that you can set, let me go back into settings and budget. I wanted unit of measure. We want to put a $sign in there. This is so easy and it's so self-explanatory. So calculated unit of measure, we're going to put a $1 in there. And then we calculated number unit of measure, we're going to put a $. And you can see just for the formula, it was really easy too. I just put budget 1 minus actual. Okay, and then for future usage, that one was future. So, okay. So the only thing I think I did not put in there was this budget table. So I'm going to go back to app settings. It's going to save that when it moves. I'm going to go back into the plugins. This is a conditional display plugin. And I am going to, this was on the background general, this is current usage. And that would be current. And then one more in between there would be current usage. And then right here, I'm going to put radio button. A value is selected, current usage, and it was the budget table. So we're going to look here for table. Right there, budget table. So that should be it. And then we hit save. And then we go back to the app. And we hit update. It says you want to apply the changes, and it did. And then we go and see if we got it. So there we go. So general info, when we want to go to background questionnaire, we click on there, and there's the background questionnaire. When we want to go to current usage, we click on there, and there's current usage. And when we want to go to future usage, there's future usage. And I don't know why client is still showing there. Let's look at that real quick. So then we go here, client, settings, and we want to show the fields in this group. We don't want to hide that. And let's go to app settings, plugins. Fields to show. Oh, maybe that's this one. Okay, so radio button equals client. Where's client? Current usage, general info, going to be, it's not that, it's not that. We wanted to do the field group, that's why. So it'd be client field group, client group, right there. Okay, so that's it. And then we're going to update the app. And now we hit plus, And now it says client, company name, let's go ABC Corp, Bob Brown, and then we go to the background question. What has your company been using? And we do those three, and then we go to current usage, and we say January 5,000, actual 2,500, and so 2,500 left. And then if you want to add another one, you can do that. And then February, 7,000, budget 6,000, 1,000 left. Then we go to future usage. What do you see as the main usage? And you put sales, and then which ways are okay to contact you, and then you hit save. And there's your data right here. So, and you can look at this in different ways. You can filter it. You can put graphs on that. It's really so easy. And what I didn't go into on this, I won't, these are the different types. So it's text, or text area is bigger. If you can see what I did here was this was a multi-choice, so right there. Current usage, that was an attachment, so right here. The tables, you just do the individual columns, and then you hit at the right to set a table, and it sets a table. Future usage, this one was a drop-down settings to where it picks one of them. And then this last one that I did was a checkbox settings. So you have so much flexibility on the different ways you can set up these forms. We can do some different color choices. We can make it look different. It can go straight to the form. We can sort different ways. It's really incredible and very intuitive and very easy to use.